No, you're on your left and top.
What are you guys finding?
Well, these shells are not working now.
What are they?
No, what I go.
Ellie, what did you find?
This is what would come out of it.
What did you guys find?
This is what would come out of it.
Is it alive?
Yeah.
Is it a snail?
It's,
Ellie, what are you finding?
this one already came out of its paw.
You're finding shells?